In this video, we shall talk about Afghanistan's incredible transformation journey, powered by groundbreaking infrastructure projects. Despite political instability and security challenges, the country is making strides that could change its future forever. From energy pipelines to urban renewal, these projects are redefining what's possible. Stay tuned to discover the projects that could reshape Afghanistan's destiny, and make sure to hit subscribe for more updates on global development. Number 9. The Tapi Gas Pipeline Project. One of the most ambitious and exciting infrastructure projects in Afghanistan is the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India Tapi gas pipeline. This massive energy project will transport natural gas from Turkmenistan, passing through Afghanistan and reaching Pakistan and India. The Tapi pipeline is much more than just an energy project. It's a symbol of cooperation between countries that share the goal of enhancing regional energy security and boosting economic ties. Spanning over 1,800 kilometers, the pipeline will run through Afghanistan's most volatile areas. Despite the security challenges, construction is moving forward, with the pipeline expected to be completed by 2025. Once operational, the Tapi pipeline will provide much-needed natural gas to Pakistan and India, both of which have rapidly growing energy demands. Afghanistan stands to benefit significantly from this project. The country will earn transit fees, which will provide a vital source of revenue. Additionally, the Tapi pipeline is expected to create thousands of jobs along its route, boosting local economies and helping stabilize the region. This project has the potential to change the economic landscape of Afghanistan and promote long-term peace and cooperation in South Asia. Number 8. Kabul Urban Renewal Program. Afghanistan's capital, Kabul, is experiencing rapid urban growth. However, its infrastructure has struggled to keep up with this expansion, leading to problems such as traffic congestion, poor roads, and inadequate sewage systems. To address these challenges, the government has launched the Kabul Urban Renewal Program. This large-scale initiative aims to improve Kabul's infrastructure through the construction of better roads, sewage systems, and new housing projects. The program is being implemented in phases, with work expected to continue until 2025. Over the next few years, residents will see gradual but significant improvements in their daily lives. These upgrades are not just about infrastructure. They are about improving the quality of life in Kabul. Better roads will ease traffic congestion, improved sewage systems will enhance sanitation, and new housing will provide more affordable living spaces for the growing population. These changes will help create a more sustainable and resilient capital city, positioning Kabul for future growth and prosperity. Number 7. Assa 1000 Electricity Transmission Project. Afghanistan's energy needs have long outpaced its supply, particularly in urban centers like Kabul. The Assa 1000 Electricity Transmission Project is addressing this gap by bringing hydroelectric power from Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan to Afghanistan and Pakistan. Construction on this critical transmission line is already underway and is expected to be completed by 2025. This project is a game-changer for Afghanistan's power sector. It will help alleviate chronic electricity shortages, particularly in cities like Kabul, where demand is growing rapidly. By linking Afghanistan to the regional energy grid, this project will also create a more reliable power supply, enabling economic growth and industrial development. Additionally, the Assa 1000 project strengthens Afghanistan's role as a key energy transit hub in Central Asia. By securing access to reliable electricity, Afghanistan will be able to improve public services, attract foreign investments, and foster greater regional cooperation in the energy sector. Number 6. Solar and Wind. Energy services for education and health in Afghanistan. Many rural areas in Afghanistan struggle with unreliable electricity, particularly in critical sectors like education and healthcare. The Solar and Wind Energy Services for Education and Health in Afghanistan project is tackling this issue by providing renewable energy solutions to schools and hospitals across the country. By installing solar panels and wind turbines, Solar and Wind Energy Services for Education and Health in Afghanistan ensures that these vital institutions have a steady power supply, even in the most remote areas. The project is scheduled to run until 2028 and promises to bring significant improvements to education and healthcare services. The Solar and Wind Energy Services for Education and Health in Afghanistan project not only addresses energy needs but also promotes environmental sustainability. solar and wind energy are renewable, clean, and well-suited for rural Afghanistan, where the grid infrastructure is limited. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, solar and wind energy services for education and health in Afghanistan contributes to a greener, more sustainable future for Afghanistan. Number 5. Community-based agriculture and rural development. Afghanistan's economy is heavily dependent on agriculture, and improving the livelihoods of farmers is a key priority. The Community-Based Agriculture and Rural Development Project is designed to boost agricultural productivity and empower rural communities. This project is set to conclude in 2025, but is already making a significant impact. Community-Based Agriculture and Rural Development focuses on providing farmers with better access to markets, modern farming techniques, and improved irrigation systems. The project also helps create legal livelihoods by promoting sustainable agriculture. For many rural communities, this project offers a lifeline, enabling them to increase their incomes and improve their standard of living. In addition, the project emphasizes women's empowerment, offering training and resources to help women become active participants in the agricultural economy. This is especially important in a country where women's access to economic opportunities is often limited. Number 4. Afghanistan's Approach for Development Emergency Initiatives, ABD 2.0. In regions affected by conflict and displacement, Afghanistan is focusing on resilience building through initiatives like the Afghanistan's Approach for Development Emergency Initiatives, ABD 2.0. Set to run until the end of 2025, this program provides emergency aid to communities hit hardest by crisis and conflict. ABD 2.0 helps improve access to essential services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure, while also fostering economic recovery. It is particularly focused on rural areas where conflict has left communities vulnerable. By providing support in the form of rebuilding infrastructure and restoring basic services, ABD 2.0 plays a crucial role in helping Afghanistan recover and rebuild its social fabric. This initiative helps communities regain stability, laying the groundwork for future peace and prosperity. It also demonstrates Afghanistan's commitment to addressing the needs of its most vulnerable populations, particularly in times of crisis. Number 3. Salang Tunnel Rehabilitation. The Salang Tunnel, which connects northern and southern Afghanistan, is a vital transport route that has long been in need of repair. This critical tunnel has deteriorated over the years, making it a dangerous passage for travelers and trade. Fortunately, plans are now in place to rehabilitate and modernize the tunnel, with construction expected to begin soon and complete by 2027. Rehabilitating the Salang Tunnel is a crucial step toward improving Afghanistan's transportation infrastructure. This project will enhance the safety and efficiency of the tunnel, facilitating the movement of goods and people between the northern and southern regions of the country. It will also contribute to economic development by making trade routes more accessible. Number 2. Railway expansion. Afghanistan is also expanding its railway network, with projects underway to connect the country to neighboring nations, including Iran. This railway expansion is a vital component of Afghanistan's strategy to improve regional trade and transport. Once completed, the railway will create an efficient transportation corridor, helping to reduce transportation costs and improve access to international markets. Afghanistan's strategic location at the crossroads of Central Asia, South Asia, and the Middle East makes it an ideal hub for regional trade, and the railway project is key to unlocking this potential. Number 1. Kandahar Solar Power Plant. Lastly, the Kandahar Solar Power Plant is an exciting upcoming renewable energy project. Scheduled for completion in 2026, this solar facility will help address Afghanistan's growing electricity demand and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The Kandahar Solar Power Plant is a significant step toward enhancing Afghanistan's renewable energy capacity. By tapping into the abundant solar resources in the region, this project will help ensure that more people in Afghanistan have access to clean, reliable electricity. Thanks for sticking with us. If you enjoyed learning about Afghanistan's transformation through these impactful projects, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global development. Your support helps us bring you more exciting insights from around the world.